Right, this is by way of a test with a new mic, a fit for purpose hopefully, and some adjustments on the various levels as recommended by YouTube. And I was in the process of sorting out my online my domains. Just really getting into that today, but just my new mic comes, so I thought I'd test it out and get it all set up, because that's going to be audio, video, YouTube, and is going to be an integral part of my my social media output from now on. Since scum are trying to get me banned on Facebook and Twitter, the scum. Alright, let's see what that's like.